Hello students, good morning everybody. Okay, today I am going to teach dividend. Okay, you know dividend. Dividend is the amount, understood? Okay, uh, but dividend is the types of amounts. Dividend is a distribution of a portion of a profit, making companies earning, understood? Then decided by the board or directors to its shareholders, uh, then that is called dividend, understood? Suppose any company or factory, you know, uh, earning what profit, then decided by the board or directors to its shareholders distribute, understood? A dividend is a distribution of a portion of a profit making company's earning, decided by the board or directors to its shareholders, understood? So dividend can be issued as cash payment, understood? You know, dividend can be issued as cash payment, as shares of stock or other property, understood? Okay, for example, a person has bought or a man has bought 2000 shares, understood? A man bought 2000 shares. Okay, the number of the share, the number of the shares, understood? The number of the shares equal to 2000 of the person or of the man, understood? Who has bought 2000 shares, understood? Out of total of 1 lakh share, you know, total share, a total share of the company is 1 lakh. Okay, the total share of the company, equal to, you know, the total shares of the company equal to 1 lakh, understood? The total share of the company equal to 1 lakh, understood? Out of 1 lakh shares, he has bought 2000 shares, understood? Are you clear? Or the man has bought 2000 shares out of the total share 1 lakh. Are you clear? Of RS 100 per share. It means the price or, you know, cost of one share. Are you clear? Cost of one share he paid RS 100. It means what? The price of one share equal to RS 100 from the company. If the company earn a net profit of RS 2 crore, okay, now the net profit of the company, suppose the net profit of the company equal to, okay, 2 crore. RS 2 crore. Yes. RS 2 crore. Total profit of the company is how much? 2 crore in a year. Understood? In a certain year. Are you clear? And it decide to distribute 10% of the net, or 10% of the 2 crore, 10% of the net profit. Then the company decide, understood? Then the company decided to distribute 10% of the net profit, that is 10% of 2 crore, to its shareholders. Understood? So the amount received by the each shareholder, understood? The amount received by the each shareholder, that is called dividend, or that amount is called dividend. Understood? Are you clear? Okay, listen carefully again. For example, suppose a person or a man has bought how many shares? 2000 shares. Understood? Out of total share 1 lakh. Understood? He has bought 2000 shares out of the total share 1 lakh. Understood? Of RS 100 per share from the company, or from a company. Are you clear? If the company, understood? If the company earn a net profit of RS 2 crore in a certain year, or in any year, understood? And it decided, or the company decided to distribute 10% of the net profit, that is 10% of 2 crore. Understood? Company decided to distribute 10% of 2 crore profit to its shareholders. Understood? Then the amount received by the person, or the man, or shareholder, as per his number of share, is called his dividend. Understood? Each shareholder, here each shareholder should receive by, yes, received by the amount according to their what? Shareholder. Oh, sorry, share, according to their share. Or suppose here the share of the person, how many? 2000. Then he should receive, okay, according to 2000 share. Are you clear? That amount is called what? That amount is called dividend. Understood? Okay, let's go to find your dividend amounts. Okay, now the dividend amount. Understood? The dividend amount, dividend amount equal to what? 10%, or dividend percent. They are also given dividend percent equal to 10%. Understood? So dividend percent equal to 10%. Now the dividend amount equal to 10% or dividend percent of net profit. So here, how much net profit? 2 crore, you know. 10 upon 100. Zero cancel, then here also 0 cancel. Now how much? Yes, 2. Okay, 20 lakh, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2 to 4 to 6. Yes, 20 lakh. Are you clear? The total share of the company equal to 1 lakh. You know, out of 1 lakh, the number of share of a person or of a man equal to 2000, and the net profit of the company equal to RES 2 crore. Then company decide to distribute. Understood? The company decided to distribute 10% of the net profit to their shareholders. Understood? Then dividend percent equal to 10%, you know. So now the dividend amount equal to 10% of net profit or profit. So 10% of net profit is 20 lakh. Understood? 0 cancel here, also 0 cancel. Then ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. That is 20 lakhs. So now we have to find the dividend amount per share. How much dividend amount? Understood? Per share. Okay, so let's go. Here, how many shares? You know, how many shares are there in the company? 1 lakh, you know. So total dividend equal to, yes, 1 lakh share equal to the dividend amount of 1 lakh share, you know. The dividend amount of 1 lakh shares equal to RES 20 lakh, you know. Understood? Are you clear? Here 20 lakh means what? Which is the dividend amount? 20 lakh here. 1 lakh is total number of share of the company. Then 2000 is the number of share of the man. Then 2 crore is the net profit of the company. Dividend percent equal to 10%. Okay, now dividend amount means 10% of total or net profit. Here 20 lakh, which is the dividend amount for 1 lakh share, you know. So first of all, you should find dividend amount of a share or of 1 share. So here the dividend amount of 1 lakh share equal to RES 20 lakh. Therefore the dividend amount of a share equal to RES How much? 20 divide 1 lakh. 5 0 cancel. 1 2 3 4 5 0 cancel. We get RS 20. RS 20. Are you clear? So it means what? The dividend amount of a share equal to 20. Understood? Okay. Then how much should should the man receive? Dividend amount. Understood? How much dividend amount should the man receive? One share equal to how much amount? Here R is 20. Understood? The dividend amount of a share equal to R is 20. But here he has about 2000 shares. So the amount of dividend, therefore the amount of dividend, understood? The amount of dividend received by the man equal to RS. Dividend amount of one share equal to RS 20. Here the total number of the share of the man equal to 2000. So the amount of dividend received by the man equal to 2000 into 20. Understood? Then RS 2 to the 4. So the man received, or the man should receive 40,000 as dividend amount. Are you clear? Have you any doubt? I think you have no doubt. Are you clear? Yes? It is the dividend. It is called the dividend. Understood? 40,000 is the dividend amount. Understood? The amount of dividend received by the man. Or simply we can define dividend means the amount received by the amount received by each shareholder of certain percent of the net profit of the company, or what, a school or factory. Understood? Simply. Okay, so we can define simply a sum of money paid annually. Okay, according to this example, we can define a sum of money. Here 40,000 is the dividend, which is the sum of money. So we can define according to this example a sum of money paid annually. Yes, paid annually paid annually by a company or factory or school, by a company. Understood? A sum of money paid annually by a company to its shareholder. To its shareholders. Understood? To its shareholders out of its profit. Out of its profit. out of its profit. Okay, let's see. A sum of money paid annually by a company to its shareholders out of its profit. Yes, out of its profits is called the dividend. Okay, it's called the dividend. We can define according to this example. Simply, a sum of money paid annually, dividend paid annually. Okay, the sum of money paid annually by a company, understood, by a company to its shareholders out of its profits is called the dividend. Are you clear? Have you any doubts? Okay, I think you are clear. Okay, this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.